The human becomes the most interesting object of study. And what happened, according to Foucault, is that from the mid-19th to the early 20th century, the emergence of the positivist human and social sciences objectified the human. Who are the ones who keep us chained to only images rather than looking at those objects themselves? And is it, nowadays, of course, it's very different from Socrates, but is it media? Is it the system of educations? Is it dogmatic religious views? You try to be also interested in something abstract, but also has a material value, okay? Not only in questions of knowledge and logic and all of these things. Abu al-Ma'ali al-Juwayni, the man I'm going to talk about today, also gave the world many important students. Most importantly, a landmark not only in the history of Islam, a landmark figure not only in the history of Islam, but in the history of philosophy, of world philosophy, namely Abu Hamid al-Ghazali. Muslims did place a lot of emphasis on it because they were very much interested in seeing how imagination allows for the mediation between the universality and abstraction of rational ideas and the particularity of human experience. There has to be some kind of connection. Otherwise, we'll be living in a horrific dichotomous world where reason cannot speak to material reality, or material reality cannot be understood in terms of reason except by reducing one to the other. The modern state should take over not only nature, it should take over as much as it takes over nature, it should take over also the material individuality of the subject in that state. Because we are gonna be all part of that universal expression of reason, which in history, which is the state.